All right, here we got the video on a bucket truck. It's a Chevy 3500 utility slash bucket. I'm not too sure of the year it'll be on the posting, but 178,000 miles. Seems to run pretty darn good. Obviously the front, the paint's going away. Seen better days. It's got a hydraulic leak. You can see it dripping right there after we were using the boom. Showing you how that works, which I'll show you right now how that works. It's a little switch inside that says machine. You flip that and you hit this green button. Starts the motor, engine start, and then obviously raise. Green button, raise, lower, it extends and everything. I'm just gonna give you a quick preview, otherwise it'd take all day. Get that back in. Boom. And then lower. Goes pretty fast. Boom, done. All right, so that's that. All the controls, it works. Leaks fluid. Gonna need to fix that. What else? Other than that, she's looking pretty good. If you need to trim some trees or, you know, do some electrical work. Drives down the road, shifts through the gears. Brakes are pretty touchy, but other than that, should be good. Got all kinds of storage in these compartments. Tires are like new. A lot of tread all the way around. I wouldn't say like new, but they got a ton of tread. Got your little piece of carpet, cover that hole up. Other side's good. 168,000 miles. I think the AC works actually. Kind of. Probably needs recharged. Anyways, that's where you switch it to the machine, got the beacon, pump, all that stuff. And that's about it for the interior. So anyways, bucket truck. There it is. Any questions, feel free to email in. Otherwise, thanks for watching.